here we go. So it's day 3. Let's go. Day 3. Let me discuss with you what we achieved yesterday. First of all, as you can see on the screen, we did some good work yesterday. Today is the day, it's day 3 and I got goals here. I need to share them with you, which I will now, but so yesterday we published our day 1 stream. Today we're gonna publish day 2 stream. We adjusted the OBS overlay, this kind of the thing that you see were here, right? Yeah. It's available here in the Coach app now, right? It's available to anyone with our Coach app. You can create, we discussed this yesterday all at the end. You can go to coach.premiumlife.app and you can build your own AI coach. Today we're gonna retest this because yesterday we found some bugs, and I'll just put the music down a little bit here for me, but then it's gonna go down for you nicely as well. No worries. So yeah, we gotta discuss what we need to work on today, okay? So much, right? So let me first of all get us covered on what we need to do today. We already did the hard gym training today, which we will just keep there. Then we need to do the third day of recording. We'll just remove that, honestly. So how do we remove it? By the way, I need to show you a quick system. Look, yesterday I told my engineer that I want this part here directly be editable, and I guess he did a really good job, because we can now edit our stuff from the inside of the controller, right? So publish day stream 2, so it's quite much better. We're gonna not worry about, okay, I need to learn that, cuts it out, no worries. We kick it out there. Oh, don't worry about OBS stuff today. New account sign up test, we did it yesterday, we need to do it again, right? Again. New account sign up test. We're gonna do this again today, and then today this content piece shall be posted. So I didn't pre-write it when I came to this recording, but yeah, we'll work on this right now. Hold on, let me swap the screen for you so you don't see this whole ugly thing here. But I got some goals written out for today, and because I already thought about this a lot. So we're gonna check into content writing. Content writing checked again, because yesterday we worked on it a bit. Okay, so then keyword system that we developed yesterday. Coach onboarding, we already said we need to check that. We'll just swap the new account testing, here. We gotta do that. Then goals set and adjusted for 10. We're gonna discuss our goals for the next. I have thought about the goals for the next 10 days. This is gonna be a mini experience exercise for us to go through. Today we're gonna discuss as well a lot about how to sign the first paying members into your community if you're starting it out, and same with me with my new community now and the new app of Coach app, right? So yeah, I did another cool awesome thing today called I developed an AI system for repurposing these long videos into short reels, all automatically on my computer. So today we'll be testing that after this session, I'll try to repurpose my knowledge into some good stuff, okay? Some short reels and so on. So we can't work on outreach system to be good yet. I developed as well an AI system that can run for you automatically 24/7, reaching out to cold people. People will not like this, right? But you can research the list on the internet of lots of potential contacts that would like your stuff and would potentially could join your community, right? And you can run it with our Coach app as an outreach via your own, Gmail, to be honest, via our Go High Level account, but your Gmail, 5-10 outreaches per day. But that's something we're gonna discuss in the next future weeks when we're gonna be discussing how to automate, the client's enrollment stuff, and that's just an off topic. But one more thing. Oh, there is something ugly we need to tell to the engineer to fix now. But let me see this. So we'll take a screenshot. Is there anything else I need to add to the goal list for today? Except to adjust the goals, right? A real system. Let's see if we can add a job. Real system good, and that's it. We are at max now. Publish data stream. So we need to remove one of them, or we'll just, we will go with the flow here now, okay? So let's quickly discuss the 10-day journey first, right? And then I have a little bug to report to the engineer to fix and a few other things, right? So today is day 3, by the way. So in fact, anyway, I don't want to be adjusting all of these things every day, so maybe we'll just next time remove that out of here. How do I know if this has been pushed out to you 100%? Oh, I know how, yeah. So we're gonna quickly run a preview projector. It's all working, yeah, very good. See that quote of the day? Okay, actually on the screen there is good. So that's not even too big of a bug. We had this quote, as you can see it on the screen, called "Little progress today, little progress tomorrow. You look back in 30 days, you progress a lot," right? So I allowed my engineer to here, I'll show you something, to pin the quotes, right? And today I will bring up a new quote called "The best project to work on is to work on yourself and your online business coaching practice and marketing your for example, right? We'll see if this swaps nicely. And then you can also pin it, and you can have pinned ones and you can swap between them, right? So that's what the engineer developed yesterday or today, I'm not sure. Let me quickly preview this. I want to make sure it's all. The best project to work on is to work on yourself Okay, that's an idea. We're gonna swap back to the previous code because I really liked it, and I want to see if we use it, it quickly swaps, and that's it. Okay. All right. So look, here is what we need to discuss now. The goals. Okay. You see how the goals were get ready for the live launch. We're still doing that. Start live streaming. We're gonna also do that. So sign your first paying member. That's a mini goal. We might even need to readjust because here we're gonna rather write, actually we only can have 5 goals, right? 5 goals. Get ready for the live launch, which we are about to just be ready right now, right? And then I need to drop the numbers down, right? So 10-day journey, 10-day journey, and then we drop into it. We'll see if we can just spam it. We want one package. Oh, now we can't edit it. We'll need to write this. Sign one package plus VIP and 4. So is it 3 or 4? Let me check. It's 3 plus 3 and 3 VIPs members. Ten-day journey. We'll remove the 10 new paying members. We'll split those two, right? So 10-day journey. And sign. So here is the idea. I want to showcase how it's possible if you focus for 7 to 10 days, you can actually sign the first paying member or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, or as you can see on the screen, my goal is to sign 4 VIP members in the next 10 days or so. And every day I'm just gonna follow the agenda of what to do daily, and I'm gonna showcase how if you just follow some kind of work and do it daily, you actually can sign paying members, right? So that's what I'm gonna work on for the next 10 days. And that's gonna be our job, right? So now I think we need to hit our daily goals here as well. And the first thing, as you can see, is we need to publish the day 2 stream. Let's just do that now. We just need to do it the same way as we did it yesterday. We need to find the day 2 export. Why is it saying? What does it say? Where did it go, right? Yeah, it should be day 2, right? Let's see if it plays accordingly. By the way, this day yesterday, okay? This was so hard day yesterday. Like, honestly, it was really hard. It was really hard yesterday. Okay, so let's kick it off. Well, that's gotta be uploaded right now, so we gotta upload this now. And do we have a thumbnail for that? I'm not sure, honestly. Yeah, we do. And now we need, I think ChatGPT yesterday helped me with the description, but we'll just do this really quickly now. This will, by the way, count. We'll just use ChatGPT today. We can't use Coach yet for content creation. Give me a YouTube video, quick description about this day 2 video of my live recordings. So that's good. We put it here. We select the playlist, I guess, so it gets stacked, and then I'll just publish this. Honestly, I'm not gonna even worry about it right now because we got so many other things to do. This will keep uploading itself here. No need for no tags, no this. We got so much other stuff to do, right? So second thing we will need to do, I mean, I have here like a few open chats with the engineers, like there is 5 jobs here at least to do, and I'm gonna start doing them, but I want to first handle the important stuff. I mean, it would be good that they can work in the background, but honestly I can work on that even later after the video recording, because I need to first try one thing here. So I want now to record a quick lesson here, kind of. We need to follow my own strategy, and we will discuss here now how someone can in 7 days actually sign their first few paying members, right? And we're gonna overview this right now, because this is the process as well that I'm gonna be going through. It's actually my course, my own course, right? We're gonna go through this process now to achieve the goal that you see on the screen, right? Of being able to sign that VIP package, right? We wanna. I have 2 packages down here for that I sell, and this one is, I don't know, $300. Okay, so it's $400 for 5 sessions, plus someone needs to pay for premium, which is now $44, right? It's not $79 a month. So either that package I have to sell for $400, it's a few sessions, or I have this session, this package that I will sell for $1,100 one-off for a month to work with someone, and I have a $2,100 one-off, plus they need to go on a $139 a month. So my goal is in the next 10 days that I sell one of these, either $1,100 or $2,100, plus that person needs to go on the VIP. I'm not gonna explain these 2 packages right now, but I'm just saying that I have them. What also I have is the membership plans, right? That are to be also sold. And by the way, I just had an idea right here, and I think, sorry, I'll fix that next time. And VIP is $139 a month, $44 a month is premium. And we want to sell like 4 people into it, right? into that in the 10-day window, right? I don't mind if I don't hit that goal, okay? By the way, we quickly need to respond as well here. And look, when I'm doing these things, we're gonna learn as well that there exists a daily routine of things that you are expected to do daily by the coach, so you're tracking your growth. Today, I already worked a lot on automating my system because I created a system for distribution of my video reels automatically. When I finish this video recording right now, the whole video, 1 or 2 hours, will be in the folder to be submitted and transcribed to my AI system, right? So with Claude, I build a local system that distributes my long YouTube videos into smaller ones, plus the big one is cut into a few short ones, a few 5 to 10 minute ones, transcribed, and also the description, the title pre-created all automatically with keywords included, all on my local PC bank, right? So even when I'm recording and being live here and I'm doing these sessions, I'm gonna be repurposing stuff into short clips as well without me even noticing, kind of. And then I'll just approve them. So I did lots on automating the system today. And this is the first thing someone wants to do every day. Okay, there are 5 things that you would want to do daily. And number 1 is, hey, do 1 thing per day to automate your system, right? Number 2, help your members succeed, whether they are free, paid, or so. Reach out to people or help the communities succeed, right? That's actually number 3. Build a supportive community, right? Support your community, ask people for referrals and so on, right? So, and the next thing then is that you would want to post content daily and engage with potential contacts, leads, and so on, right? So today I already posted 1 content piece as well, and now I will skip those 2 for now a little bit until we get some members going. But here I will do this right now. I'll engage with people, particularly, for example, Carol said that she's okay to meet tomorrow, right? Totally good. Let's aim for 10. We can be camera ready. I might want to discuss a few things of the growth plan inside our community, so the community can benefit. We confirmed that, right? And you know, that counted as an exercise done, right? And you see, you get points, right? So with just this effort of what I did now, I am 8 out of 10, which means that, oh, I did quite good stuff for, you know, today's progress, right? That can be later done much better when I actually will have more stuff going on inside the community, and we can engage and follow up with more people and so on, right? But we're gonna do that through the next 7 days. So, okay, that's a little thing done. And let us quickly overview now the idea of signing a new paying member in, let's say, 7 days, right? Because this is an immediate next step then, after someone has set up the whole foundation. In fact, let us do two things here, okay? So I can create 2 short video reels through my automated system to test it out. And number 1, I'm gonna overview this classroom. Number 2, we're gonna then discuss that lesson, right? So we're gonna get started in a second now. This is what we're gonna now do, right? I want to overview here. You can see this is the classroom of our school community that I just created. It's fresh and it's new, and in the classroom I have put a few courses, steps through which you can set up your community and sign the first few paying members, and then 10 to 100 and so on, build a supportive community and also automate the growth system, right? So I put these courses here and I worked on them for the last few weeks and months, and you can come into our free community as well to get access to this. The goal is that we support each other here in our community, and you start your own membership community. Here are mini lessons for you to go through to open your school community, adjust its about page, and set your pricing tiers so you can charge people monthly subscriptions. And then second course is that you optimize your community for ascension, meaning that you can always accept new paying members on automatically 24/7. When someone is gonna come into your community, you wanna have a few steps set for people so they are welcomed, they see the welcome post, they get access to your free course, they get an automated email sequence guiding them through your free course, and those steps are all pointed toward a person being asked to upgrade to premium. So your community should be set up in a way that it auto converts people paying for premium, right? Here is then the course that teaches you how to sign your first paying member in a very short period of time, in 7 to 10 days. By the way, I am streaming now, recording these daily videos, and with me launching my community now and the Coach app that I built, I am going through these same exercises right now of how to sign 1, 2, 3, 4 paying members in 7 to 10 days, completely, let's say, from scratch. This course teaches that. And then this is a little more advanced course then, how to, grow and reach bigger audiences and so on. I'm not gonna grow through referrals and build a supportive community. I'm not gonna go that much into this idea, but the last course here is, okay, cool, you are growing your community, you got a few paying members and so on. You want to build an automated marketing system that always gets traffic into your free community and it converts them into premium members. So whenever you get paid, $44 a month, or in my case, $139 a month for VIP, when you get paid those monthly fees, you can then reinvest that money and put it into, let's say, ads, self-fulfilling ads that further get you more traffic, right? Or if you don't want to pay for ads, you want to build at least one automated source of traffic, for example, a YouTube channel where you put videos on it, and those videos are always sending people into your community automatically, right? So that's called self-fulfilling auto system. You also build an automated email sequence that converts people into paying members. All of that happens then automatically for you. The last course here is free as well. It's programming your own AI coach that you can give your that's a whole explanation now, right? But I created an app called AI Coach, which you can give to your members, and you program it with your knowledge, and your members will be able to interact with your coach through the Coach app, and Coach is gonna convert people from being free members into premium members for you, and it's gonna guide them through the milestones. It's all based on AI, right? And here you can go to coach.premiumlife.app website and you can already program your own coach. You simply say what's your name and Coach is gonna start guiding you through the whole experience now. And it asks you what kind of work you do and so on and so forth, right? So I'm inviting you to come into our free community. The link is down below, so we support each other growing our membership communities for monthly recurring revenue. So this was video that I needed to record now, a little invitation, a little explanation for the YouTube channel, but we're gonna go now into checking the idea of signing the first few paying members, because I actually need to check this off. Here you see that I've done it, so I can move then further to the next lessons, right? And this is just a quick summary because the whole video is already recorded here properly, right? But this course here is an exercise of 7 tasks or routines or things to do from day 0 to day 7 or so. And if you just do them, you will sign one paying member paying you 100 a month or whatever your premium or VIP membership is, or you're gonna sell a package. As I said, see here on the screen, right, you can see that I have a goal to sign 4 VIP members in 7 to 10 days, or even if it's 14 days, and one of them will pay for the package as well, right? That's why I'm recording this series on my YouTube channel and in my free community, so I hold myself accountable and I can showcase that that's all possible, right? And that's how I designed this program, this course, right? I will follow through, I'll show it works. I know it works because I've done it in the past many times and so on. So here is the process of signing paying members. The fastest way to sign paying new members is to leverage your existing network, because people who will join your membership already exist. They are in your network and you only need one of them to pay you, right? And if you only clear to 20 contacts, imagine that you have your list of email list, you have your social media followers, you have your previous clients or freebie people, right, or anyone, right? If you only cleared through 20 that you attract with content, or you reach out to them and you make offers to as many of them as possible, you will sign one paying member. So through the exercise of 7 days or so, you will learn here how to manage your contacts and start connecting with them, how to post content to attract people in, so you don't need to rely on outreach, right? There is 7 content templates here in the Coach app that through which you can post in the next 7 days, and they will attract people come to you, right? You identify quality people, you engage with them, and you make offers to them, whether that's via DM, hey, join premium, right? Or so, get someone on a call, or people will see your content lives and webinars, or join your free school and get auto emails or so, and they will upgrade on their own, right? And your job will be to keep a consistent daily routine, the same rhythm that you're gonna then continue doing, and you're gonna sign more through that same rhythm, right? Here, you're gonna then learn exactly how to do the tasks, right? But day 1, even myself, right? Tomorrow, I need to add more contacts to my Coach app here under contacts of people who I need to follow up with and turn them into paying members. I need at least 20 or so contacts. I can manually add them, or from school or from email list or so. And my job is to move people 2 offer made or so, and they become paying customers, right? And so that's how this is gonna work, right? Adding contacts, reaching out, engaging with them, posting content, and do this same routine daily, right? So that's the whole idea here. Can you clear through 20 contacts and turn them into paying members? 1 or 2 or 3 of them, right, will become paying members. And this is this lesson. If I have completed it, I check it off, and here in the Coach app, right, under strategy, I need to check this off as well, because I've done it now. And I'm gonna move now to the second lesson here, which kind of says to me that I already completed it because I already added a person or 2, right? But my job is to follow the course here. And this course says to me, hey, add the first 10 people. Build the lists first of where you're gonna be adding people from, and then add the first 10 and already reach out to them and so on, right? So I'll begin with my exercise of doing this tomorrow, day 4. Today, day 3, is only me getting ready and announcing and just whatever else I have to do, right? So, and I'm gonna also post another content piece already ahead of time. We will actually try as well to AI generate this first content piece here of my list. That one, we'll just use it because we want to see now if AI writer or coach is already fixed from yesterday. We had some issues with the AI content generation, right? So if that's all gonna be covered now, I want to quickly now check. I want to check off the what we just did today, right? Check. So content, we're gonna do the content now, right? About the new journey, we need to write that one or post it. We could honestly even leave that for tomorrow. We don't want to overwhelm ourselves today with too much marketing or so. We already posted the day 2. We're recording the day 3 now, because we have few things to now still complete with our AI engineer here, and I really need to do this today right now anyway, so they start spinning, right? I will put some music on, we'll do this, we'll test if the content stuff works, we'll report to, okay, we need to still open the content engineer, and we'll start chilling and just go ahead. Today was already a really long day for me. I've done so much work already before this recording, so I don't want to break myself or so, but where is the ninja guy, right? Oh, it's up there, right? Coach guidance, this guy, right? So, and we got the keywords guy as well, so we got lots, right? Check if your work survived and so on, and I got a few more comments now for you to check it. And we're gonna give him the comments. What I wanna do is, let me write this with AI write. I wanna see, and I'll report to this guy. You see, unsupported marketing coach action, right? Why would there be a bug? Image 1, I tried to write with the AI coach, right? Image 2, no, not AI coach, right? AI write button. Said it's unsupported. I am on admin account. please fix all of these right now so I can use it. For templates, the AI write needs to actually also work to fill in the template. So make it only shown if someone opened that template, right? I will try now as well to edit with coach to see. No, I will not. No, I will see. No. For templates, edit with coach should not even be possible yet until someone AI wrote it first. Or let's not. Let this guy work. Let them start spinning. We gotta do some work here, right? So we got the game proposal to check. Let's create a new contact now, because that's on our checklist. We'll just use, I don't know, a new browser for them. We need to check if all of those things that we fixed yesterday are all good, right? Because that's on our agenda, isn't it? So let's be today pretending we are Valerie. Is that a name? Is Valerie a name? Okay. Do you already have? No, I don't. But you will show me how. We need to add a question mark at the end. Yesterday there was an issue. I'm here to guide you through it. Great Paris to run and include me as your AI coach. Perfect. I help them with weight loss and being fit. Similar exercise we went through yesterday with the other guy. But what's the biggest challenge? No consistency with working out. Okay, what usual metal routine? What to do daily, and what to eat. Yes, you programmed me with your approach already. What's one question your members would ask? How to lose weight? Cool, so this is what I would say to them. Losing weight means staying consistent with daily workouts that fit your level and eating balanced meals, focus on whole foods, plenty of veggies. You know, coach knows stuff. Let's say, you see, good. Valerie, when I don't know, when I'm testing the Coach app and I don't know what the last name or first name would be, I just start writing whatever comes out, and that could be a last name, right? So we will activate that, and we'll do it with this test email of mine. and we will send myself a code. Really quickly, we're gonna check it here. Let's check now. If we land in like yesterday, we had some issues, you remember? So welcome, Valerie, to your Coach Dash. Let's map out your growth strategy with just a few first questions. It's good. So, school plus coach. What's your monthly recurring revenue goal? Let's say 5K month. What's your biggest challenge related? Okay, a solid rate that can really stabilize your business and open new opportunities. Great. What's achieving your goal? What's your biggest challenge? Don't have a plan. Having a clear plan is definitely key. Yes. How do you think you would achieve it? What would be your plan? Just marketing somehow, but I don't even have any audience. Starting without an audience can be tough. How big is your current audience or network? Only 100. A starting network only is a solid, yeah, how many hours per day? 3. 3 hours daily is a solid commitment that can definitely move things forward consistently. Do you have a budget? Yes, I could do both. See, so that's how we program the AI coach, right? A little bit. I mean, we open the coach. It asks us about the growth strategy. It creates a custom strategy now for us, and then we follow the coach. See, that's our custom strategy. We follow the coach, and coach serves us as our marketing tool. Plus, we program the coach and give it to our own members that teaches them, in this case, weight loss, nutrition, and supports them, and AI, people can engage with the Coach app on their phone, right? For your community, where you help, this plan is designed to build steady Okay, you mentioned not having a clear plan, so this strategy gives you a daily workout nutrition. Okay, that's very bad. This is a bug. You mentioned not having a clear plan, so this strategy gives you daily workout. And we already had this solved last time. Many times, by the way, but someone broke it, right? So I tested with Valerie. You will reach your goal into this and that 4 stages to go through. Build your foundation, sign first paying members, build your core group, right? Grow to hundreds, yes. We're ready to begin, right? Step 1 complete, and then the chat closes. We can't open it, there was a bug yesterday, which is good. Step 1 complete, we got 5 points now. We will not install the Coach app now, but we can allow notifications to see if that works. So we get a point for that, perfect. Coach, that's all good, those can be done later. I want to see if Chrome extension comes, yes, we can install the Chrome extension now too. We can even test if it all works. So the Coach Chrome extension has been put here. We can pin it and so on. And in fact, we could even continue in the extension, but let's not go there now. Join, let's see if this... I said to the engineer yesterday, we don't need this message here, eh? But let's see if the great, your custom strategy has been saved. You can come back to this chat at any time to discuss it and adjust it. Your strategy is saved. Twice, right? Why you tell me twice? Okay, so that will be fixed. And so this custom strategy is now created for the person and it's saved here. You know, the biggest challenge, right, is that. And the strategy is here, you can adjust it and so on. And yeah, anyway, so now the next step is that someone joins the community by clicking here. Okay, but I have already a test account here, so basically we already are kind of in and so on, right? Anyway, the link worked. So it's kind of okay. Anyway, we complete that. And then we continue, you know. So the rest is good, right? You know, the rest is fine. Fix all this now and clear it up. The rest is fine for now. Thanks. Just wanna make sure we are using, you know, what is. So let's check the game now, okay, because the game is on our list. For anyone who doesn't know about this game idea, the round table, so coach is one coach here in the chat, right? We already mentioned this in the previous days. And we are developing here that coach has a few parts to itself, right? It has like customer section, where you see all of your customers and what they are going through and all of that, right? Then you have metrics of your marketing growth, you have sales pipeline of contacts, you have content, you got partnerships, right? Each of those elements is a new mini teammate at the round table, and they all can talk amongst one another, but we are still building now this functionality, right? So here is the plan, right? I guess today is a little shorter recording and so on. We did not too much uncover new things, but I will stop recording right now because I want to clean up all of these small things just on my own, to be honest. And I want to get us ready for day 4 now, which will have all of these small parts already kind of working, and I can then continue with the daily marketing activities. So basically day 4 will actually be the day 1 of the 7 to 10 day journey of sales and so on. So we achieve the goals that you see on the screen, and we sign the first few paying members here, and we get this community going. So I will focus on getting everything ready today, and tomorrow is gonna be day 4, and we can begin with, you know, some more of this similar productive stuff, and we make it all happen. Okay, I will see ya very soon. See ya tomorrow.